In 2025, Czapek celebrates its 10th anniversary in true horological style with the stunning Time Jumper, a watch that blends 19th century inspiration with futuristic innovation. This is not just a timepiece, it's a statement of how far modern craftsmanship can go while honoring its roots. Francois Czapek, once the business partner of Antoine Norbert de Patek, left a mark on history. But it wasn't until the brand's rebirth in 2015 that Czapek once again captured the imagination of collectors. Now, a decade later, the Time Jumper pays tribute to that revival. Inspired by Czapek's pocket watches, it reinvents the classic montre à guichet, a watch that tells time through apertures rather than hands, but with a daringly modern twist. The Time Jumper is unlike anything else. Its 40.5mm steel case is shaped like a smooth pebble, or perhaps a flying saucer, with a hinged white gold guilloche cover engraved in a hypnotic vortex pattern. At its center, a loop reveals the double-digit 24-hour jumping hours display, a rare complication that's as fascinating to watch as it is to build. Below, the dragging minutes glide across an arched window, maintaining a poetic rhythm of time. Press the hidden pusher between the lugs, and the lid opens to unveil the beating heart. Czapek's in-house caliber 10.01, a brand-new automatic movement that marks the beginning of an entirely new era for the brand. Turn it over, and you'll find artistry in motion. The caliber 10.01 features a skeletonized platinum rotor, concentric bridges, and a variable inertia balance beating at 4 Hz. What makes it truly special is the patent-pending double-disc jumping hour system, 2 sapphire discs that display the tens and single digits independently. The precision of the jump is instantaneous, smooth, and absolutely mesmerizing. Every detail is designed for legibility and allure, from luminescent numerals to hand-finished surfaces that shimmer with light. Limited to just 100 pieces in steel and 30 in yellow gold, the Czapek Time Jumper stands as both a celebration and a promise, proof that innovation and tradition can coexist beautifully. At 42,000 Swiss franc, it's more than a watch. It's a moment in time, captured forever.